A karaoke and projector setup might not be the first thing you think about when looking for a piece of kit for yourself or home business. With its small, compact design, this is a very versatile projector that can take things to a whole new level. This is the Aaxa BP1K, and it's a versatile karaoke projector, allowing you not only to use this all year round as a normal projector, but to be able to utilize its karaoke concept to create a portable entertainment source for you and your friends. So let's take a look at what you get in the box. So in the box you get everything you need to get up and running. You get a USB Type-C mirroring cable for Android devices, a USB wall charger, a micro USB charging cable, the microphone, and a basic user manual. If we take a look around the device, there's no doubt that this is a very compact piece of kit. On the back there is plenty of ports to play around with. Power input, HDMI, USB and micro SD card, and that's for media playback and much more. Inside we have a rechargeable battery that can deliver around 3 hours of screen time, so not amazing, but it's certainly good for its size. Now you can run this off the mains if you want to for longer periods of use, but it is nice to know that you do have that battery there. So one way you can use this is by mirroring your mobile screen. Now if you are on iPhone, you will need a required adapter, but if you have an Android, the cable provided will work fine. You can go ahead and download karaoke apps and you can use this pretty well. You can grab the microphone and simply plug it into the back of the projector and you're good to go. The built-in speakers offer adequate good sound that's more than good enough to play around with your friends. If you wanted, then you could even simply plug into a computer and open up a sing-along YouTube video and use it like that. It offers a lot of versatility and a great amount of outputted sound that can really be an asset to a social gathering. As I've stated plenty of times in this video already, this is a very versatile little projector and there is a lot you can do with it. The karaoke aspect is just one small piece, but certainly one you could utilize and get your money's worth out of. As stated, this does have an internal battery, so if you want to use this as a backup power source to charge any device via USB, well, you could do that. Now that's an extra feature you could really take advantage of. Getting a perfect picture on the wall isn't too bad with this design, and it's very simplistic. Place your projector in its designated distance and use the back focus dial to get the perfect crispness. In terms of resolution, this unit isn't intended on being high resolution output. With only 640 by 360 pixels, it's not going to offer movie quality immersiveness, but it is beyond good enough for social gatherings to utilize that microphone and karaoke features either through your Android, Apple or laptop device. The projector's user face is very simple and it's spelled out right in front of you. If you wanted to, you could simply plug in a micro SD card, download a movie or pre-recorded music track like lyrics on a screen videos found on YouTube and play back using this feature. Everything is operated from the controls on the top of the projector. There is no remote control, but I didn't really feel it was necessary with this unit. But if you do want something that can offer casual projecting, maybe for an office presentation or one-off movie viewing sessions, then I can't see why such a compact unit like this that can be fully charged and almost gives you a wire-free setup wouldn't come in handy in your everyday life. What's great is this also can be used as a Bluetooth speaker. By pressing the power on the slider over to the Bluetooth, you can simply connect up your mobile and use this as a portable sound speaker. So not only do we have a karaoke feature, we have a casual projector for movie or office presentations, maybe even gaming if you like. It's a power bank, it's a portable speaker, and it's just an all-round versatile piece of kit that can be used in a variety of scenarios. If you like this product, check it out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.